Welcome to our Lean Agile Intelligence Jira Integration Walkthrough video series. In this video, we will be showing you how to create a Jira-mapped improvement action. Who can create Jira-mapped improvement actions? Any admin, super user, and facilitator with access to a team configured with Jira integration can create and manage Jira-mapped improvement actions. Let's dive right in. Head to your configured team on the Results dashboard. Pick the question that you and your team want to create an improvement action for. You can also use our coaching assistant to help you determine which questions to focus on moving forward. Check out our coaching assistant video for a deep dive. Click into the question drill down and make your way to the Improvement Action tab on the right. Hit the Add icon to initiate creating the improvement action. Select your improvement action type, whether it's a goal or an impediment. A quick note: impediment actions are exclusive to LAI and currently not a part of our Jira integration. Check out our Jira documentation for more information. If you select the action type goal, you will have two different options to map this improvement action to Jira. Selecting Create New will generate a new Jira issue under the project and issue type configured for your team in Jira. You can see the project and issue type assigned to your team in the message above the improvement action table. With Create New, you can input the title, which will be mapped as a summary in Jira, and the description. You also have the option of selecting the owner team role. This is an exclusive field to LAI and won't affect any Jira fields. All Create New items will have the initial status of the issue type in Jira and set as active in LAI. If you change your mind in creating the improvement action, you can always hit Cancel on the right. However, if you are happy with all your inputs, click the Save button on the right, and this will save an improvement action in LAI as well as create a new Jira issue in Jira. After a successful save, you will see the issue key under the external link column. You can also click on the issue key, which will take you to the Map Jira issue in Jira. When it comes to the second option, which is Map Existing, you can take an existing Jira issue and map it to an improvement action in LAI. Simply open the Jira issue you wish to map in Jira, copy its link as Jira creates it, paste it in the link field in LAI. With Map Existing, you won't have the option of adding inputs in the title and description fields. That's because we will be getting the title and description from the Jira issue that you want to map with. Select the owner team role and click Save. You will see the title is the same as the summary of the Jira issue you provided. It's important to note that we do not accept rich text in the description at this time, so we encourage you to view the full description in Jira. After saving, please manage the Jira issues in Jira. Check out our Jira integration documentation for more information.